Hello and welcome. Let's get started. Today we're going to be looking at Microsoft PowerPoint. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a software, an application that you can use to create very beautiful slides for your presentation. So it's a presentation software that you can use in creating beautiful slides. I'm going to take you through the process of creating a slide now, so that you understand what I mean. So if I'm to be your teacher in your class and I'm teaching you, I should be able to use a slide to show you what I'm teaching. That will make you understand it better. So I'm going to create a slide and run it so that you see the way it works. I'm going to quickly share my screen so that you can be seeing what I'm doing. So this is what we call Microsoft PowerPoint. I just opened one. So try and open up your Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you open it up, this is what you will see. So in this class, what am I going to be showing you? So I'm going to click inside here so that you can understand. So the class I'm going to be taking you is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. And this class is going to be delivered by Mr. Augustine Ekene Emeka. Okay. So that is how you go about. This is the first slide. So if you want to create another slide, what you simply do is that you come to this side, you right click, and you see where they wrote new slide. So I click on that new slide. So I'm having another slide. So I'll click here and write introduction. That's the first thing I want to have. And when I click here, I should be able to write that Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software used in creating clean slides. So that is what I have here. So if you need more slides, I can come here again and right click also on this left pane and say new slide. So under this, I'm going to have description. So how do you open? How to open MS PowerPoint. So how do you open MS PowerPoint? So I know if you want to say Microsoft PowerPoint, you can also call it MS PowerPoint. So how do you do that? You do that by number one, you click on the start what button. So what else do? You click on all programs. What else do? You click on Microsoft Office. If you're using Microsoft Office 2010, you click there. Then finally, number 4, you do what? You click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So that is how you go about it. So I'm going to save this by pressing Ctrl S. So you can see that I just created 3 slides. And I'm going to save my work to my desktop. So I'm going to pick desktop by this left pen. This is desktop. So I'm saving it as Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, I'm saving it as MX exercise 1. Okay, so that's what we have. So I'm going to add another slide. I'm going to click here, new slide. And I'm going to show you how to bring in picture in PowerPoint. So if you see here, you're going to see table, charts, anything you want to bring. But I'm going to insert picture. So I'm going to click on this one. So I'm going to look for one picture. Okay, say this government. I'm going to click on it. Insert. So it will be inserted. So that's how you bring in pictures in PowerPoint. So having created your slide, the next thing will be to design it. So if you want to design, click on this design up here. Can you see design up here? Can you see design? So you select any design that you want. Once you select it, all of them, you can see that it has changed. This is looking more beautiful now. So design makes your PowerPoint to look more beautiful. If I choose this design, you can see it's more beautiful now. It's more like a presentation. Okay, so this is what I have now. So as a teacher, it's good you have a presentation software like this to use in teaching. If you're doing your project presentation as a final year student or master student, you're going to be able to have this. The project that you already have, you convert it to PowerPoint. So you convert it to PowerPoint by putting it in form of a slide like this. So once you're done preparing your slide, you come here. Can you see this place that looks like a cup? This is how you play the slide. Once you click on it, your slide should be able to take over the whole of your screen. Can you see it's taking over the whole of my screen? So you now start. Introduction. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software used in creating clean slides. So once you're done, you click again on it, or you press the arrow button, arrow key, it goes to the next one. Description. How to open MS PowerPoint. Number 1, click on the Start button. 2, click on All Programs. 3, click on Microsoft Office 210. 4, click on Microsoft PowerPoint 210. So once you're done, you click again, you see the next slide. So that's how you see teachers present it in your class when they do it. So I'm going to let you do that now, so that if you have any questions, you can ask, then we can move on.